Hi, this is Taylor at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. Today I'm taking a look at the 2019 Cougar 367 FLS. This is a front living floor plan.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.
Alright, let's take a look at the inside. First we'll just do a quick little overview of the layout, and then we can get into some more specifics about this floor plan. Up top is your front living room. You got your two opposing slides. Gives you a nice living space in the front. So you got two tri-fold sofas, theater seats across from the TV, and then another couch on the other side. Down below you have your kitchen and dining area. Large gas and electric fridge. And then lots of counter space. Then as you go to the rear of the fifth wheel, this is where your master bedroom is. This is a king bed on this Cougar. That's optional. We added the king bed on this one. You have more storage in your bedroom. TV right in front of the bed. And then an additional door to get into your bedroom easily. It's also right next to one of the bathroom doors, so if you need to get to the bathroom, this is the best door to go through. You got a radius shower, medicine cabinet above, and then some more storage cabinets on the side here. And now that we've taken a look at the inside, let's go over a few more details about this Cougar front living. Up here in the front living room, you have that windshield, and you do have a roller shade that you can pull down to block out the light if it's a little bit sunny out there. The TV right here does pop up. It has a control right here in this cabinet. Let me pop that up for you. So there's the big HD TV popped up. Just touch of a button and you're bringing the TV up. Also, you'll notice there's some lighting in that front area that can be turned on and off. Down below we have a electric space heater, a fireplace, so you can turn this on just for looks, or you can actually use it to heat the fifth wheel. It's gonna save you some propane cost, just running off some of the electric for your warmth. Right in front of the TV there you have your CD, DVD player, Bluetooth, connect it to your phone. You can control the music that way. This also has two zones, so you can control your inside speakers, your outside speakers. You can do both at once. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys these two couches folded out in the sleeping position. So here you are with your two trifolds down. You have a nice amount of sleeping space without having to dedicate it just to a bunk room. This Cougar does have the Thomas Paine recliners, which they have improved a little bit even over the last year. They have a little bit more cushioning. You can definitely feel the comfort when you sit in these recliners. Down below, as we were looking earlier, you do have that 12 cubic foot fridge in your kitchen area. So this is gas and electric, and got a lot more space than either your 6 cubic foot or your 8 cubic foot. Just plenty of room for food. Right beside the fridge, you have your freestanding dinette. Something different about these seats you have on your Cougar is all these seats do lift up. You can throw a little bit of storage down there if you need to. Cougars are really known right now for their large windows. These are some huge windows you're going to see in the Cougars all over the trailer. Great lighting package on your Cougars. All LED lights. You got accent lights up on the sides. You can turn those on or off. And then these are actually dimmable lights as well. So you can turn those down if you don't want them to be so bright. Over here right beside the entrance you have a little hutch, more storage space. That is a motion sensor light right in the entranceway. So just as you walk close, it's going to light up so you can see as you go in and out of the trailer. Right up above that is the in-command system. This is something you're having on all your Cougars. This will control all your slides, lights. You can check your tank levels. This is where you can turn on and off lights. Take your slides in and out, put your awning out. I'll talk a little bit more about that later. You can do that all from your phone if you want to, or you can use the screen that's available inside. Right over top of that you have a power outlet, some more light switches. That turns off that light up front there. And then another light switch for the lights right above this. That is your thermostat monitor right there. It's going to keep track of your temperature, whether or not you need to kick the, or if the air conditioner needs to kick on or not. But this is a big thing on your Cougars. They're 0 degree rated now. This camper also has heated holding tanks, so you can turn on your heaters on your tank, fresh gray and black. That is a huge thing on your 2019 Cougars. They are now made for that cold weather, 0 degree rated, tested by Cougar. Nice Furrion range here. Deep sink with the stainless sink on it. Pull out faucet. Nice window in the kitchen. I know a lot of people are asking for windows in, the kitchen area, so this one does have it. Now let me open up all the storage and we'll take a look at that. Here's a look at the storage down in the kitchen and dining area. You have a nice amount of drawers down here. More storage underneath your sink. More up above. And then also in the roof you have a nice fantastic fan. You can really get some of the hot air out of here. I forgot to mention a nice solid countertop on your Cougar. Also a nice backsplash behind the sink for any water that jumps out while you're maybe doing the dishes or something. Some light switches over here. This will turn on and off a lot of your ceiling lights controlled on this one switch, but you can also control it up there by the door where I showed you the in command system as well. This other switch right below that one, that controls this lighting up above the cabinets. This is something they've been adding on a lot of the new Keystone products. Let me take a look at this. This is basically a Wi-Fi router that can be added into the camper. Keystone's doing this on a lot of their new models. Window in the hallway, doesn't feel as closed in. Back here in the bedroom, like I was talking about earlier, this is a 70 by 80 king bed, not a queen. This is a king bed, so really large bed here in the bedroom. You got windows on both sides of the bed also, which is nice. Light above and another light there. Nice big window in the rear. Like I was saying, really big windows in your Cougars. Big wardrobe for clothing storage. More space down below. More drawers there. TV up above. And then on this this little countertop here, you do have a power outlet here as well. This Cougar, with its size, it does have 2 air conditioners on it. You're definitely going to want 2 air conditioners on a fifth wheel of this size. So this one does have 2 ACs, of course 50 amp service for that. Here's your bathroom. Like I was pointing out earlier, those big cabinets in your bathroom. Really great space, probably to put some towels. Tons of space for anything you need in the bathroom there. Another power outlet on that counter there, keeping the power outlets going. But this is what a lot of people are going to want in a trailer of this size. You have space for a washer dryer hookup, and that's right here by your bedroom. And with it being a front living room, in your shower area, the ceiling is so tall back here, there is nobody that's going to have to worry about being too tall for the shower. That's the great thing about a front living room, is your height back in the bathroom is never an issue. There's your medicine cabinet with 2 lights up above. Really lights up the bathroom well. And then a big sink in your Cougar bathrooms. I mean, if you like to wash your face down by the sink, you can definitely do that in this this sink here. A little bit of storage below that sink as well. But really nice feature on this Cougar is they're sticking with that single piece countertop in here. They've not gone to a T-mold like you see so often. This is staying with a single piece countertop. Then your toilet, foot flush toilet, but this is also going to be your porcelain toilet, which most people are coming accustomed to in your nicer fifth wheels. So now we basically looked at all the inside. More I could definitely talk about, but I don't want to go on for too long. Now let's take a look at some of the outside features. Gotten a bit late here, but this is a 20-foot awning on your exterior. You got the MORryde steps, nice and stable, which people are really loving. Just fold right up into the door, easy to lift up and down. Big grab handle on your main door. Exterior speakers on your outside, you can play some music. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions on this Cougar or any of other floor plans here at Summit RV, give us a call at 606-928-6795, or you can see all of our campers in stock, over 300 right now, on summitrv.com. Thanks for watching.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.